In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your prototypes in Figma. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to record your prototype in Figma, first you want to go to figma.com and go to your specific prototype, design, or project that you're currently working on. Now to present it, just click on the present button just right here in the top right, and it will take you to a new tab. Now, if you want to record this, you need to download an app or a software that records your screen. So let's say as of now, I'm using OBS Studio to record this video. So I'll show you. So this is how it looks like. So you can just simply click here. As you can see, I'm recording. So just start your recording and just hover through your Figma prototype. After that, just simply stop recording and it will automatically be saved in your files. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.